If you want to make someone obsessed with you, this is what you are going to do. And it is so counterintuitive, and this is why it's not working for you. The thing is you're obsessing over them. And that is repelling energy. That's like stalker energy, and nobody wants to be a part of that. So you got to cut that out. When you are the most magnetic is when you give no fucks. You don't give a fuck if that person texts you. You don't give a fuck if they're worshiping the ground that you're walking on. They don't give a fuck if they are always in communication with you, because you are good. You are so obsessed with you that you've taken that person off of the pedestal. You put yourself on the pedestal. You know that you're a divine creature and you get to have anyone that you desire, and you would only ever give your time and attention and energy to somebody who is worthwhile and is actually matching the energy that you're giving off. So you are going to start focusing on loving the fuck out of yourself. And if you're like, Alexa, I just don't know how to honestly love myself, there's no shame in that, right? You have to know where you're at in order to get to where you want to go. And that's why you should get into my Manifesting Love Masterclass, because I teach you everything that you need to do to really honor yourself and to start loving yourself. So that way you're so in love with you. You're so in love with the life that you're creating. You are so obsessed with your world and how you feel and how confident you are and how magnetic you are to everything, that you're actually going to stop focusing on the other people, because you're focusing so much on you. And when you distance yourself from focusing and obsessing over someone else, the energetic shift is felt. And that's when people are going to be magnetized to you. And you might find out that you've been obsessing over someone that didn't even deserve your time or attention or energy. And because you started focusing on you and having self-worth, you are going to manifest the most amazing partner ever. And you're going to laugh that you were ever obsessed over someone else.